Hello. Today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we are going to showcase how you can activate, manage, and well, generally use the keyboard Clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's go ahead and launch the keyboard. In here at the top part of it, you'll find this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Next, once at the clipboard page, simply turn on the clipboard by simply doing what I've just did. Tap it on the blue button, turn on clipboard, or you can also do that by simply altering this toggle. Next, if you would like to remove some of the elements, tap on the pencil icon, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and after that, tap on the trash bin. Now, if you want for something to be added to the clipboard, on the other hand, simply copy it. So let's say I want to add the word cat, I'll type it in, copy, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that word cat has been successfully added as the most recent element of my keyboard clipboard. Now, simply tap on an element that you would like to be used, and it will be successfully pasted into, well, any typing bar that you have launched the clipboard with. Alright, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.